Welcome everyone, I'm John and this is the crypto channel of John. A few movies ago I showed you how to install a hychain node. Now let me show you how to claim rewards and how you can see how much your rewards are at this point you have. So I just tried this morning and it works. So I received my tokens to my account and I'll take you step by step how to do this. It's a very easy process too, so let's jump in. So the first thing and the first step that we should do is open up a prompt. In previous one I shown you all how to do this. So we go to search, then if you already have one open, you will definitely directly find this. You can open it and we are in CMD and DOS, of course. Now the first thing that you need to add to this prompt is, of course, we need to give it a command so that it can do the next exercise that we want to do. So what do we want to do first is to see how much coins we have. Now if you have done this on your own computer, you can just drag the map where your node is into it, drag it again onto it, and then you will have your text that needs to be added. Just delete the two exclamars that are in here and put CD in front of it with a space bar in between, press enter. Then you are in the map itself and here we can add a command to see how much coins we have received at this point or we are able to receive. Let me take my notepad. Then we have to enter this code. I will just put them in the description below so you can just copy and paste them. It's easy for you guys to do. So what you have to write here is completely this line, but the node ID, where my mark is over now, we need to change this to the NFT key node ID. To find this node ID, you need to go on the chain and look it up where the wallet address that has the key onto it, you need to go onto that chain's address and then go to NFTs from it and you will find that key node ID being stored there. Fill in this key node ID here and you will directly see how much coins you have or want to receive. Okay, and now I get something different because there is no key node ID. So we need to enter this key node ID before you can, of course. After you have done this correctly, you should see how much coins you have with a very long number on top of it. Normally the first two or the first three will be the amount of coins that you will be able to receive. Now how to claim your coins, it's even easier. It's just the same line that we add to it. So this is for me to claim guardian-cli-win windows. Do remember this is a window showing, so if you do Linux, this will be something different here, this line. Claim rewards, guardian claim rewards, node-key-ids. So this stays after the, I don't even know how to pronounce this in English, but my marker is over here. So where node ID is, you fill in again the same node ID from here, from your doing, and the private key is from the delegated wallet. The coins itself will be shown into the wallet directly that owns the NFT or the key node, but we can enter here the delegated wallet private key, the one that we previously made from the new MetaMask. This one you can put in here, and your node ID is the one from where the node is stored on, of course. So that's how you do it. If you press enter and you have done this correctly, you will see that your coins were agreed and was transferred directly to your wallet. I've done this a few, like an hour ago, you can see here, and I received my Topia directly to the wallet where it was. So I tested this and it works. So I hope you guys learned something. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share it with people that can use it too. That's much appreciated, of course. And I wish you all the best. See you in the next one.